We recently took a trip to Rainforest Cafe in Sunrise, Florida, and they have the best decor, the coolest animated animals, and also live animals. So stay tuned for our food review and our overall experience of Rainforest Cafe. Hello there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to the Rainforest Cafe in Sunrise, Florida. This particular restaurant is located in Sawgrass Mills Mall. Not on the outside, you actually have to go inside the mall to find it. Now, this place is amazing. As soon as you walk through the front door or get to the front door, there is jungle decor everywhere, from animated animals to this ginormous fish tank. You cannot go wrong coming here. Now, this jungle experience is not just for the children. Check out this really awesome bar area where they have those cute stools. So check it out. Even if you get a drink or two, we did, and they were actually really good. Now, here's a closer look of what you will see. This is just the gift shop. So before you actually get into the restaurant where the tables are, this is what you'll see at the gift shop. All right, we're finally in the restaurant, and as you can see, the theme continues with the greenery and the fish and the animals. Now, if you're deciding to go, make sure to have a reservation. We went on a Sunday at 11 a.m., and as you can tell, there was no one in the restaurant, which is perfect for us because we were able to get videos and pictures and up close to the animals. Now, if you look really close, most of the animals are right next to people's seats. So you won't be able to get as close to the animals because you'll be right next to people eating their dinner. So get there early and make a reservation. We walked around a little bit more just to get up close and personal to the animals, and they were animated, they moved, and they made animal noises. So check out some of the animals. All right, let's get into the food. Now, they have a pretty big menu for children and for adults. They had a lot of seafood options, a lot of meat options, and surprisingly, the food was good. Now, one thing that happens maybe every 20 minutes is there's like a thunderstorm in the restaurant, which is really, really cute. So right before we were ordering our food, there was a mini thunderstorm. So we ordered we kind of started eating it already, but we ordered the sampler appetizer. It was really good. Kimmy had the fries and fruit, which is what she normally eats, and she ate just about all of it. We also tried a snapper dish. The steak was good. The shrimp was good. Someone ordered ribs, and no one complained about their food. Everyone said the food was delicious. So you really can't go wrong with ordering. This is my meal. It was so good. I wish I had more. Now, for fun, we ordered this like volcano lava thing, and of course the kids enjoyed it, but it was just for fun for the kids. Once we were done eating, of course, the kids had to pick out gifts from the gift shop, and they have such a large variety of things you can buy there, from really inexpensive to extremely expensive. And I'm sure the kids bought the most expensive things. It's okay, it's fun. And they actually still play and enjoy the gift, so it's worth it. Well, that's my video. I hope you enjoyed our little review of Rainforest Cafe, and check it out with your family. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thank you.